Okay, let me solve the fifth problem. Okay, fine. Here, this particular problem based on the speed and distance. Fine, speed and distance. Here, an aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 2/3 hour, it must travel at a speed of, right. What we are supposed to find out here, you should read the problem carefully, right. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour. That means per hour, that is for 1 hour, it is going to cover the distance how much? 240 km. For 5 hours, how much? That we are supposed to find out first thing. Then to cover the same distance, see this distance in 1 2/3 hour, how much it must travel at a speed of, so we are supposed to find out speed. So it should cover in this particular hour. Let us check out this. We know they have given speed of an aeroplane, that is speed they have given, speed is 240 km per hour, correct. And time is also they have given, time is how much? That is 5 hours. Now what we are supposed to find out? The distance. Distance we are supposed to find out. We know that a distance is equal to what? The speed into time, right. Speed is how much? That is 240 per hour into time is how much? 5 hours. Multiply it. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, right, 0 2 carry, 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12. So the distance the aeroplane covers in 5 hours is 1200 kilometers. This particular part we have found now. Now what we are supposed to find? So this 1200 kilometer it should cover in 1 2/3 hour. Then what is the speed of the aeroplane? So that is what we are supposed to find, the speed of the aeroplane, right, in the second part. Now what we are supposed to do? We know that distance is equal to speed into time, right. Now we know the time that is given, this 1 2/3 hour, and speed we are supposed to find out. Distance already we found, that is 1200. So that's what speed is equal to distance by time. Now distance is how much? Speed. Distance is how much? That is 1200 kilometer. Now time they have given in a mixed fraction, that is 1 2/3. Convert it into improper fraction, that is 3 ones are 3. You know how to find that. 3 ones are 3. Here you need to multiply and you need to add. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5/3. Substitute here in the place of time, that is 5/3, right. When you simplify, this will become what? 1200 into this 3 will move to the numerator, that is 3 that divided by 5. Now simplify it. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 2 remainder, right. 5 fours are, it is 240. Now multiply this, 3 into 240, that is 240 into 3. If you can't divide like this, you go with the normal method. So that is what? 1200 that divided by 5. 5 twos are 10, 2, right. When you subtract 0, 5 fours are 20. 0, this 0 transfer here, 240. 240 into 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 720. So the aeroplane should travel 720 km per hour so that it will reach 1200 kilometer, or it covers 1200 kilometer in 5 by 3 hours or 2 by 3 hour. Hope you understood.